Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel Shopify subscription in 2025. So as you can see, we are already landed in our Shopify store, and if you want to cancel your subscription, it means you already have an account. So you just need to click to the login. Once you click over that place, it will landed you to the admin panel where your website is located. So here I just want to cancel the trial, like I am using the trial version. So right now I will just click to the setting. Once I click over here, then here I will actually get the options called plan underneath the URL. You just need to click over here plan, and there if you are using the plan, then you will get the option for cancel the trial or cancel the plan. But right now I am using the trial, that's why there is a options or button I have that's called instead of cancel plan, instead of cancel trial. So you just need to click over here cancel trial, and your trial will be ended over that place. So here you can see about unwanted change, then you just need to click over here and then click to the continue, and in this way your cancel will be ended forever. So this is the easiest way to cancel your plan for Shopify. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.